Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome in the TEFS Trading Room and VIP Room 44 Trading Room. How are you today? Last trading day of the week, and seems like the market is just starting with another plunge. I hope everyone had a beautiful green day yesterday. Market could not keep too much into the greens, and I must tell you that this rollover on the 200 EMA by the SPY and the 570 level looks like even more valid. So we are starting at the moment with a 0.76 lower on the SPY, almost 1% with the triple Q, and FedEx and Nike earnings did not help for the market sentiment. So welcome everyone. Hi Patty, nice to see you. Long time. Hi Lee, good morning. Clifton, Scott, team, nice to see everyone. Let's just start the pre-market session. Well, today it is not just the bearish sentiment, which seems like it continues, but even there is a big day on the markets called triple witching. Hi Dor, hi Anticipator. Mohammed, nice to see you. Okay, I'm just going to answer you soon for that question. All right, so indeed, I'm just finishing first. What is the triple witching day? As you know, on the markets, every month on the third Friday of the month, it's option expiration. Also, 4 times in a year, there is a bigger event which is the same like option expiration, but this triple witching is quite of a major technical event because this one actually is going to be an estimated $4.7 trillion is going to expire in options. And this quarterly occurrence when the stock index futures, index options, and single stock options all expire on the same day. So definitely it's going to be a heavy volatility traders. So let's just be careful. And indeed, this day is not just a triple witching because this is going to be this expiration day. It includes contracts tied to the S&P 500 rebalance, as well as popular tech names and mega cap stocks are going to make some rebalances inside the sector. So that means that this is going to be a really, really big event for the market. What does it mean? I must tell you guys, even more choppiness, more volatility, crazy moves. So please seat belts on and be careful, especially with the share size and the stop losses, because this can be a typical day when you just set a stop loss and suddenly it's just getting shaded out. And after that, of course, everything is just going to your direction. So let's be careful on that fact that triple witching is today and the market did not get some good news. Mohammed, back to your question, how many trades do you divide your daily risk into, and how many consecutive losses will you close today? Very good question, actually. And I'm taking average like a 5 trades in a day, and if I'm suffering more than three or not more, exactly three losers in a row, I'm calling it as a day. The three can be two as well. I have several private mentor traders who cannot bear more than two consecutive losers after each other. It's completely okay. Indeed, it depends on your personality, how much you can cope with. So two or maximum three loss in a row. This means like no more trading for the day. Plus, I'm dividing it for 5 trades, average 5 trades per day. All right. Hi, Brian. Nice to see you too. Okay, traders. So what else here? As I mentioned, you triple witching as the biggest event for today, and no major economic news. Only FOMC member Williams speaking exactly now, 9:05 a.m. I don't think so. She's going to be very positive, but let's see. So far, all of the indices like Dow, S&P, and the Nasdaq set for weaker start as the FedEx and Nike shares are slumping. FedEx is the latest company to sound the alarm on the US economy. I'm just going to dig deep soon into the earnings. Let's see how the major stock exchanges of the world are doing. Europe pulled back very much to the red side. Asia as well, especially the Hang Seng 2.19 down. Yesterday I tried to short Baba. I ended up with a very, very small loss because I was not very much patient. I was patient, but not like after 1 hour. I just decided to dump the stock actually, and this is just moving down. So this is just Murphy's Law. It's a big dump on PDD and Baba, so it's going to go on my watch list to the short side. If I just checking the crypto world here, even the Bitcoin slumping under 84,000 again, 0.48% down at the moment, and all of the major cryptos are down too. So this seems like as a day for the bear party again. Also, let's just be careful again because this option expiration can cause some surprises here and there. Let's see the international news there. What we have. If you are heading to London Heathrow, please be careful because there is a travel chaos because of some fires indeed. So seems like that this is a really huge chaos there. So hopefully you are safe if you are heading there. If not, then reconsider it. European travel stocks falling after this Heathrow airport closure. Even the British Airways owner IAG is down 1.4%. Okay, what else here? German upper house of parliament. Okay, yes, debt from half trillion found. Wow, that doesn't look good. Either China property market on the news dodge cuts, of course, it still continues. Elon with the Tesla and so on. Even the Hong Kong markets fall 2%, as I mentioned you, especially because of the US economic uncertainties is spreading over the world as well. So traders, no major economic news today. As I mentioned, you also don't forget the power of Trump as he's just back in the office with the tariffs news. It can hit at any time, but I think the option expiration and triple witching is going to be way enough for us for today for causing more volatility. Also, we have some great candidates to start the day with. Hi, Tara. Good afternoon to you. Nice, Avi. Nice to see you. Good morning, everyone. And I'm just repeating myself as every morning. If you have any questions regarding TEFS funded accounts, challenges, trading programs, education, private mentoring, please just drop me an email and look around on the TEFS client area site. If you are just logging in the client area after registering on the TEFS.com, you can find a lot of interesting info there. So please, I encourage you to do that. All right, traders, so let's go back for the candidates. If you have anything on the radar, please just let me know in the chat. I'm more than happy to take a look at it. And I'm just going to start with FedEx. As I mentioned you, it is playing a huge role in today's index slump. As you can see, it's a huge dump to the downside on the FedEx. Reason for that, earnings, and not just the earnings, 9.63% down to be precise. But the most concerning thing here around it is that the FedEx slashed its full year guidance, citing weakness in the US industrial economy. Not a good news at all. And of course, if FedEx is going down, usually United Parcel Service, UPS, is just a sympathy play. So both of them I'm just going to call to my short side alongside with the BABA and PDD, as I mentioned you, that all of the Chinese stocks is just slumping of the cause, just fear when fear by which was caused by the US market. So let's just go for the long candidates, the short ones, and might we will get some secondary list here too. So short, I'm starting with as the whole market is slumping. So I've just called FedEx and UPS. It is the sympathy play. Let me just check this PDD. I've seen that Baba it's quite down, which I was expecting yesterday on this Baba short is just happening today. PDD is down 1.90% too, also it's an inside day, so let's be careful with that. I'm just going to call Baba to the short side for today. Okay, hi Raspi, carrying small piece from yesterday in Baba. Well done. Actually, I was thinking as well to leave a little bit, or even to short back when I've seen in the evening that it started to go more to the downside. But actually, I was too lazy. Now my laziness is not paying. So indeed, let's just be careful though, Raspi, because Chinese stocks can be a little bit surprising, but very nice profit so far. Well done. All right, traders, next one on my list is CLF, steel producer, 2% lower after Minnesota Star Tribune reported that Cleveland-Cliffs would temporarily idle two factories, resulting in hundreds of job cuts. Ouch, that's not a good and rosy outlook for CLF. CLF is down 3.67%, not a huge mover. That's why I'm just going to put it to my secondary list, actually. Okay, Nike is down, dropped 7% after warning that sales will fall in the current quarter. Not a good news for Nike. And if I'm just checking it, that looks like as a very ugly continuation to the downside, down 8.18% at the moment, and doesn't seem like that it's going to stop. Just opening my door because this is starting to be hot here again. Well, the hot, it's like 15 degrees. Not that hot still in Hungary, but the sun is shining at least. Okay, guys, what else here? Micron Technology comes next. This is a semicon stock, slid almost 4% despite beating the Wall Street expectations. I would say maybe even the sentiment is weighing on MU. Despite of giving some great earnings in the fiscal second quarter and offering strong guidance, Micron is just moving lower. That's interesting, actually. Let's just check the daily chart on the MU. You see, it was there is no reason to go down for this stock. So I'm going to be careful with this stock to the short side. Also, it's really weak, 4.16% to the downside. I assume that this is the sentiment of the market, which is drawing it down, because it was like a great opportunity as well for this small bull flag on the daily to push it higher. It has not happened. Now it's heading down back under this $99 level. Well, let's see whether this 98 is going to be or act as a stronger support with the 50 and 20 EMA. If not, then I need to go with the flow, which is very bearish today morning on the MU. Okay, hi DVG, good morning to you. So MU, I'm going to put it, it's going to be strange, but I'm going to put it just to the secondary list because I really do not like this news which are quite positive and causing a drop on the market, or not the market, sorry, the stock. I'm a bit suspicious about the MU, so let's be careful with that one. Okay, buenos dias, Todd. Nice to see you. Okay, Micron, we got it. US still comes next. Steelmaker 1% lower on the heels of a weak guidance for the first quarter. Ouch, that's not a good news. X was just dragged up and down on the news of buyout, no buyout. Now seems like it's just pushing a bit lower, but I don't like the volume. It's just 9,000. Let's just put it on the secondary list. X, sorry, pre-market volume is not enough for me. Next one is Leonard, home builder earnings. Was not the best, especially the guidance, and 4% is lower at the moment. However, the revenue was beating indeed. So let's see whether Leonard can just make a pullback on this mixed news. So far, it's down a lot, 6.55, but the pre-market volume is not that high, only 189,000. For me, it looks like a bit extended in my opinion, but still has a space on the daily to push lower, especially there is a gap fill back on this 110 area. So let's just call LEN to the short side. Also, again, traders, please bear in mind that this had a mixed news, so not fully bad news on the LENR, but the strong bearish start of the pre-market on the indices, it's waiting on the stocks as well. So let's see, Danaher next is here, DHR, finally a small green, added 2% after Goldman Sachs upgrade on DHR. Well, let's see if we can have the first long candidate for today. DHR looks very nice for a pullback. Yeah, pre-market volume is still not the best, but you know what? I'm going to give a chance for that stock. Anyway, we do not have anything on the long list. So DHR, based on that good news, which was like a buy upgrade from neutral, very strong upgrade. And Goldman said that the stock could outperform over the next year after a rough patch. Good outlook for DHR. Let's see whether it can push higher. Also, traders, before I take any step on DHR, I would like to see a pickup in the volume because this 9,000, it's not enough to trade it. It's not aligned with my rules. ADPT biotech, small biotech stock is here as well, popped almost 4% on the back of Goldman Sachs upgrade to a buy from the neutral. Looks like Goldman Sachs was in a good mood today, and let's see whether ADPT can just continue higher. ADPT at the moment 2.58% higher. I like the daily. This is a small biotech stock, so carries some risk, that's for sure, but I'm going to give a chance for this ADPT, especially because of the fact that we do not have too many long candidate traders. So let's see that. Marco, hi, nice to see you. Hood, PLTR, and GME. Thank you, anticipator, checking them immediately. Let's see Hood. As the Bitcoin is dropping, I guess even Hood is dropping more. Yeah, it can be easily a rollover on the 50-20 EMA on the daily caused by that volume high. Yeah, you just convinced me to put it to the short side. Let's see PLTR and GME. GME, it's a meme stock, maximum to my secondary list, but let's see. PLTR, one of my favorite stock. Yesterday we had a small winner on that, but PLTR today is just going with the market sentiment and seems like a serious rollover for that on the daily as well. If I just zoom in and check it, you can see that it bumped into this $90 level yesterday, big pullback towards the end of the day, and now it's under the 50-20 EMA, and seems like even if it's breaking this 84.80s level, this is going to be a continuation to the downside. But I must tell you, anticipator, that almost all of the big stocks look like that. So I could just drag there lots of names. So I'm not going to put everything to the short side, but I agree with you, especially under yesterday's lowest point. I like PLTR to the short side. And let's just check GME at the end. GME at the moment is up 2.25%. I've told you this is a meme stock. It's just moving completely opposite for the market or with the market. But as I mentioned you, as this is a meme stock, I'm going to be careful with that. So I'm just going to call it to the not to the long, just to the secondary list. Hi, Jim. Nice to see you. LMT and BA to be awarded a new fighter jet contract today. Thank you very much for the very important news. Hi, Jennifer. Nice to see you. Let me just check BA and LMT here. BA, not that weak that market, and it is on a long pullback strike or so. Let's be careful with this 200 EMA here, but B can be interesting. I just put it to the secondary list. LMT for me, it's too spready, too wild. Usually I'm not trading it, but if you like it, we can just put it to the secondary list too. And thanks a lot for the info again. Traders, this is the strength of our community of our trading room. And even we have several days when not even I am calling the best trades, but you. So I'm really, really grateful for that you are just participating here with us and you are very interactive. So really, really like that. And this is making that the best trading room ever. Hi, Anne. Good morning. Okay, traders, so let's just continue with the candidates or so. I feel like I have enough. I just take a last look on the gainers and losers in the TEFS platform. So to the upside, as I mentioned you, we do not have too much. I just cannot see any familiar names here. ALNY, it's higher with 3%, what I see. What else? Of course, VIX, UVXY. No doubt that the fear index is going to just pull up today as well. And you are right, Jim. LMT is up already 1.66%. I've just seen Roblox traders. Roblox, it's completely going opposite the market. It is up 1.46%. Let me just check this Roblox at the last but not least. And Roblox is up today, 1.45%. Volume is not that good, but I think it's enough to call it just to the secondary list. So my list is ready, traders. I'm just going to post it in the VIP room, then in the YouTube TEFS room. And don't forget, I'm not going to be here next Monday. Tuesday, I will be back, but next Monday, it's a day off for me, so I'm not going to be here for trading. I will miss you a lot, but on Tuesday, I will be back again. So traders, this is the list for the VIP room traders, and I wish you a beautiful green Friday. Watch out for this triple witching, guys, because this is going to be a really, really rocky road and roller coaster mode on the market. And I'm going to see you next Tuesday. Bye, everyone. Take care and have a nice weekend, of course. Okay, here, of course, I'm going to trade with you, YouTube traders, as always. Hi, Leviathan. Good morning. Yeah, we need luck today, I would say. Better than ever with this triple witching indeed. So let's be careful, guys. Triple witching is crazy. It can be crazy. Anyway, we have crazy days, so this is just a cherry on the top, I would say. So I'm going to be extra careful. And again, as with quite of risky days, I'm going to lower my share size for today. I did it last Friday as well, and it was not a good day for me. So that was my luck. You see, luck can be like that as well. But no, I'm doing it on purpose. Like when we are facing into a very risky day, and I assume this is going to be a quite of a risky day, although full of great opportunities, especially on the FedEx Nike. I really like it to the short side, but still I'm a bit cautious with that because, as you know, the option expiration, it's always causing extra volatility, and the triple witching and the S&P 500 rebalancing is going to be even more volatility. Okay. Hi, Anne the second. Nice to see you. So traders, we still have a little time to go here. If you have any questions, especially for the newcomers, welcome everyone in the TEFS YouTube Trading Room. We really appreciate your appearance here. This is a very interactive room, so I encourage you, if you have any questions regarding the TEFS products like funded accounts, prop accounts, challenges, private mentoring opportunities, education, anything like that, please just drop me an email, or you can even just check into our website. There is a great support as well, and you can ask anything immediately. So this is the tefs.com website. All right, traders. So seems like this market is not even stopping. Triple Q is not 1% down, it's 1.14, and the SPY is heading to 1%. This seems to be, but tell me if I'm wrong, if you have any other opinion, but this seems for me that the chances, the odds for a rollover on the 200 EMA, it is rising significantly on both indices. So if we check the triple Q on the daily, you can see that it could not even push back towards to this or fully to this 200 EMA, and it's just making the roll over here on the $480 level. And if we check the SPY, I'm mentioning for you this 570 level for a while, and this seems like it has whirled. It has just touched in the recent last 2 days, but both of them got a rejection at the end of the day. And now, if we are going to break the 500, it's just already broken as I see. 560 I wanted to mention. 558 is the next one in my opinion, which needs to be broken. 559.20 was the low of this 4 days consolidation. So in this case, traders were heading back to this 550 area with the SPY. Looks like a really bearish tone on the market. In this case, I'm going to watch to the short side. FedEx, Nike, Lennar Corporation too, or so. Lennar got a a little bit interesting here, in my opinion, because it got mixed news. MU, it's still a question mark for me. Market sentiment, it's weighing on it for sure. TQQQ, of course, D King, if you are around. TQQQ, it's our best candidate for today again. Hopefully, it's going to get a good one. And what else here? Well, if I'm just checking my watch list quickly, just need to move it here. Okay, so on my watch list, if I'm just checking the strongest, weakest, Nike, FedEx is the weakest at the moment, and continued by Baba, Apple, AMD, Amazon, Oracle, Netflix 1.40, Meta is 1.19, and the less red, it's MA, KO, J&J, Pepsi, Oxy, Disney, these are red as well, but not that much. And surprisingly, Tesla. Tesla, it's okay, it's weak, but not that much indeed. Like if I'm just checking the Tesla is 0.85% down. TQQQ, yes. Hi, good morning. Or little darling, yeah, right? I think I made most of my money with TQQQ this year so far for sure. But I would say maybe in my entire day trader career, I really like that one. It was so when the market was going up, I was watching for the SQQQ as well. Indeed. Okay, traders, now let's get back to the start. We have 3 minutes to go. Cautiousness required here. Hi, Alam. Good morning to you. XPV, yes, yesterday, sorry you called it so nicely, but I missed that call. You had a very nice winner on that, and seems like it just tumbles further like all of the Chinese stocks. Excuse me. I'm just going to check even Baidu here, because Baidu is, yeah, is just quite close to this 200 EMA, so let's just be careful with that one. Hi, Banzai, so nice to see you again. I'm so happy you have time to join us almost every day. And really happy to see that most of your days are green. Hopefully today is going to be green as well. Also for the newcomers, again, I'm just repeating myself, guys, it's a high risk day, high volatility day, because it's triple witching, S&P 500 rebalancing, really high number of options are going to expire. So let's just keep it in mind that this is going to be a big moving day, already moving big time. If you just check the SPY, it's down almost 1% or under 1% now, as I've seen, triple Q 1.19, and is just pushing lower and lower. We have a chance for a huge red day, traders. Indeed, seems like the steam, the hope, what Powell just signaled on Wednesday, it's over. It was like a short-lived. Also, as you know, this market, never say never. So on this market, anything can happen. However, in my opinion, based on that start, the odds for a bouncing market, it's quite low. But again, I'm not going to be surprised on anything. Okay, so let's see what are the calls from the guys in the pre-market in the VIP room. Scott Malatesta just got FedEx under 222. I definitely keep an eye on that stock. CVNA under 180 and MU under 98. With the MU, as I mentioned, I'm going to be a little bit careful because it got really good news. It's just suffering because of the market, but the rest of the calls, I like it. And yes, he is right. We are not allowed to forget CVNA, which was a great winner of mine yesterday, but now seems like it is back to the dropping side indeed. That's not nice. All right. I'm just going to be ready for the day. Traders, again, I'm just repeating myself. Monday is no streaming, okay? So Monday, it is a day off. So I'm just going to write it down that Monday there is no YouTube TEFS Trading Room. Okay, VIP room is going to be on. If you want to follow them, you can on the YouTube, but of course they have a delay. It's not like me. I don't have a latency, only like 3 seconds. But on Monday, I won't be here. That's why there won't be a stream. But after that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I am here for you. And even I'm going to be here for the week after. So next week, Monday and Friday, actually. All right, traders, let's just start and trade here and make a great trading day. Good luck, everyone. And again, seatbelts on the triple witching. Okay. Yeah, it seems like Scott already changing his mind with the MU. I've told you that by a mixed news, and it actually it was not a mixed news, it was a good news on the MU, so that's why I'm going to watch it there. All right, traders, MU starting down though. Baba, phew, beautiful profit for you. I'm very happy for you, Luis. Well done. It's just opened on one near to 133 area actually. All right, traders, I'm going to watch FedEx, Lennar Corporation, and Nike for a gap and go trade, especially. All of the rest seems like it's just Tesla, especially, is going up now. But let's be careful because the market is starting with very extended, on a very extended pace, and seems like it's a bounce. Question how strong this bounce going to be. But seems like this BABA and PD, they are completely off the table. Apple pulled back a little bit too, as I see. DVG already buying some put options for the triple Q. SMCI is bouncing. Tesla is bouncing too. Yeah, I've seen that. Tesla, yes. Yeah, I see it, guys. I see. I just cannot trade this one big red can or green candle, but I'm going to keep an eye on that. All right, traders, so market trying to bounce, but it's just giving up. That means we can have a TQQQ short immediately, in my opinion. Even Apple is pulling back. Unfortunately, MU already under the lows. Let me just check this Nike. Nike looks like a great one under 66. Maybe Baba is pushing higher. TQQQ 15. Too much to the downside. Okay, Scott is buying MU over 96. He's buying over 96 for a bounce. PLT are struggling. SMCI bouncing. Tesla is bouncing, but no entry. And how about FedEx? Not my favorite indeed. So on the TQQQ, in my opinion, we can have a trade only under the lows, but only for a scalp if you like it at all. Overall market is moving lower. 59.30. I'm going to go for a small short on the TQQQ. So this is it. I'm going to enter just now on the TQ under this candle only, traders. Okay, so it just made a candle now under 24. So TQQQ, I'm just making another call because it was not on time. So under 59.23, I'm going to take it. Okay, under 59 and 23. All right. In the meantime, market is still very hesitant here. It broke the lows, could not continue. So definitely the bulls are trying to fight here. Okay, 21 is going to be my entry here. Baba pulling back, Nike continues. I did not take 66. If you took, go for 50 cents and then let it run. Tesla looks like a very nice bouncer. I like it indeed. So it seems like this big sell-off in the pre-market makes some buying opportunities mainly, which is interesting. SPY is on the highs. Let's see what to do with the Tesla. Meta just called by DVG now, exactly. I'm going to watch it too. Meta can be, I think this 590 was a very strong one yesterday as well. I would be careful with that though. So I would take it only over 590 in my opinion. Okay, trader. So under the complete lows, I'm going to go for TQQQ. NVIDIA is pushing down in the meantime. Apple higher. Lennar Corporation gave up indeed. 116 and 60 looks like a great gap and go on the Lennar. I'm just going to call it. Under 112.16. I'm going to take Lennar Corporation here just with a small share size. FedEx looks good as well under the lows. I just cannot call all, unfortunately, on time. Stop loss is quite big on the Lennar, so take it with a lower share size, please. And FedEx looks a great one under the lows only now. Okay, TQQQ. Nice banzai. FedEx and Nike are working nicely in the meantime, and I just took this, I just took TQQQ as well. And I want to see a break under, under 59, okay? Break under 59 on the TQQQ, but at least 59. Lennar Corporation, I really like it under this 116.60. Only under 116.60, not before. MU, I'm going to watch it as well for a long side, but for that, I would like to see it to break the 96. In the meantime, you see, that's why I've told Meta and of 590 level. Everything is dropping, guys, and this TQQQ not. It drives me crazy. It's good that I'm taking everything with the half share size only. So Lennar has not entered yet, TQQQ in, and I am checking this market, what it is up to. It's fighting still hard to keep this move higher. I mean, like, to stop this bleeding. But so far, with NVIDIA was the best short. Very good. Anticipator Lennart for me only under 112.60, and the entry for me is 112.50 because it's a bit spready. So be careful. Lennart is just going to be, if it enters, it's going to be a very small share size on my side. Okay? And everything with a much smaller share size for me today, traders. Reason for that, look at the market. It just started with a gap down, but we still cannot see at least 20 cents on that TQQQ, unfortunately. Baba is just moved back nicely, but I'm looking for a possible reversal on the Baba too. MU is going to be taken by Scott over 95. He called it for a long over 95 now. And the market is still fighting hard. Over 59.60, I need to be out on the TQQQ, unfortunately. Meta was nice to the long. If you took for a quick scalp in the beginning for the long side, yes. But anyway, it's no, it's not the best at the moment. SPY triple Q still trying to fight also. NVIDIA is pushing down. Apple stopped a little bit now. Yeah, DVG is just talking about a triple Q that he's completely astonished why it's just holding so much. I don't know, but if it's going to be a quick bounce, traders, I'm going to be out on the TQQQ over 59.60, and Lennart has not entered yet. And I'm watching even Baba for a possible reversal here. SMCI back to the lows. How about Tesla? Meta, it's under the VWAP now. How about Google? SPY triple Q still under the VWAP. Until we are under the VWAP, it's okay. I mean, for the triple Q, but I'm starting to be fed up with this non-decision. Okay, Meta on the lows, Google bouncing back. Apple has no idea which direction to go, and VDA went big time to the downside, and our TQQQ is still alive. Also, again, I don't want to see that over 59 and 60. Lennar Corporation has not entered yet. I don't get this market today, guys. It is definitely the impact of this nasty, nasty triple witching day. SMCI rallying now a little bit. How about Tesla here? Losing on TQQQ. Half share size only, but very annoying. So seems like the bears are not that active today. Steam just got out on the in the pre-market. Auto Nvidia, nice banzai. You had the right choice. Me and DVG even, he's just shorting the triple Q. I still like though this Lennar, and I'm going to start to look for a long on this MU as well for a reversal, especially over this 96 and 20, but not before. Tesla, it's making a nice reversal here too on the TSLA. And if the overall market is breaking the highs, we can even flip the coin, in my opinion. Interesting. All right, traders, Apple finally making the move. And like that, I'm going to take a small Tesla over 241. Let's see whether it can push back higher. Everything with just a half share size for me, traders, nothing else. Stop loss on the Tesla, it's under 238.80. SMCI very strong. We should keep an eye on that as well. I'm just checking PLTR at the moment too. And this is whether a bull trap or I don't know what's happening here. Yes, I see it did. You're right. Tesla, nice. I want to see at least like a dollar on the Tesla, but even more, I just do not trust this market bounce traders. I'm going to be careful. Also, Tesla showed strength from the beginning. Let's see how it is moving around 242. Here we are. I'm ready to take my partial on the Tesla. Okay, traders, nice. Tesla. Great move on the Tesla. I just took a little partial on 242, like 70%, and let's see whether it can push even higher. Go, Tesla, go. Apple stopped. Nice. So traders, here is the Tesla $1. Good. I'm just taking my partial now, as I did not push the right button before. So I took my partial on the Tesla 70% out. Stop loss is going to be 240.80 and let it run. Hopefully it's going to run for us. So one winner, one loser so far. Lennar has not entered yet. Well, let's see. I'm still keeping an eye on BABA and MU. MU to the long side, BABA to the short side. And on the BABA, let me just check this 135 area. I don't know. I don't like this daily too much. If you have anything on the radar, guys, let me know. So Scott took MU over 95. As I've told you, I want to see a consolidation around the VWAP and then to take it over 96.20. SMCI does not care about the market. Hopefully Tesla won't either, and we will see a break over the high soon with our Tesla trade, which is just perfect. Come on, Tesla. And yeah, as I hear, even DVG does not trust in the rally. TQQQ. If it breaks the 60, might we will continue. Come on, Tesla, break over the 240, 250, please. FedEx is not moving anywhere. Lennar, I don't know, guys. I think I'm just going to cancel this. I don't like it too much anymore. Unfortunately, TQQQ triggered me, but Tesla is making a good one. And PLTR looks interesting here, in my opinion, too. PLTR. And mRNA as well. PLTR, mRNA are making some nice things here. I'm going to watch it too. Okay, traders, I would say PLTR looks very good to the upside. I just do not trust this market. Who trusts the market, guys? Hands up. I think today no one, right? Triple witching and PLTR is just breaking out. I can't believe you, PLTR. I knew it's going to do that. All right, traders, here is our Tesla break, break, break. 240, 250, we need to break. Actually, 243 would be the best to see to break it. SPY triple Q are forming a consolidation, but still it's very fragile in my opinion. And traders, there is the time for the MU over 96 and what is this here? 96 and 12. I'm going to take this MU. 13. Let's be it. If we can continue higher only, of course. But I'm still suspicious in that push from the market. Also, listen, every bad news are out already. Also, on the other hand, unfortunately, there is still lots of uncertainties. It's really hard to tell what's going to come next. PLTR, I missed this beautiful intraday breakout. Unfortunately, it was way too quick. But let's see whether Tesla is going to make us another nice partialing point, and MUI like 2 here. Okay, SPY triple Q still consolidating. Cannot see any other. Maybe Meta now. I don't know how about you, Leviathan. But Meta can be an interesting one here over 588. 588 traders. If we bounce farther, Meta can be a great one. And here comes our Tesla again. Meta over 588. Over 588.30. Okay, this is going to be one here as well. Okay, MU has not entered yet. Meta 58, just only over 588.30. And let's see, or Tesla, I'm going to put a hard stop loss under 240.80, like 75 traders, 75. . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 . 75 Okay, I put my hard stop loss here. And let's see MU, it's very close to the entry. $96.13, we need a break there. And here comes the Meta 2. Market is still stretching, not with a high volume, which I don't like. Oh, I missed Baba reversal in the meantime. It's okay, we cannot win them all. MU has not entered yet. Meta has not entered yet. Meta stop loss under 585. PRTR, biggest miss for today on my side. Okay, MU still not in. All right, traders, Meta is in. Good luck. We need to get 590 for the first partial. Market is still trying to stretch though. Let's see. MU has not entered yet. And or Tesla coming to the second partial. Traders 240, 243 is going to be my second partial here. 243. So guys, I am in Meta. I am in MU now as well. MU it's in, yes. Meta, MU, and Tesla. And just before 243, I'm going to, here we are, traders, second partial on the Tesla. And I'm going to get on MU, we need to see a lot. Baba made a VWAP reversal in the meantime. Come on, Meta. Meta, nice. Traders, Meta is going. On the Meta, I want to see just a partial before this 590. The market is still stretching higher, so that's good. MU, my entry was, yes, MU, it's okay. All right, traders, so Tesla again, if you have not taken any partial yet, here is the second partial on the Tesla and just let it run. Meta traders, here we are. I'm just taking the first partial, 75% off just before this 589 soon. The push in the market is not the call buying. No, Leo, I'm just definitely taking some quick trades here, like $1 here, $1 there. And Meta is going to be under 587 traders. It's not going to be a big winner, unfortunately, but still okay. All right, traders. So two partials on the Tesla, one partial on the Meta, and MU. Yeah, and here is the sell-off. That was it. Almost out of Meta and MU. Oh, MU. And we can check TQQQ again. Meta is out, traders. That was just a very, very small winner, unfortunately. Market sell-off. Okay, traders, I'm going to get TQQQ under 59.58. 59.58. Sorry, I could not check KO, but I'm going to. Because let's see, it's still trying hard. But I don't think so it's going to make it. All right, traders. Also, MU is still fighting. Tesla is still good. My Tesla stop loss is going to be just on the entry. And let's see whether the bulls can fight more to the backside. I don't know. This meta is crazy. In the meantime, big green candle here again. SMCI still looks strong, by the way, in the meantime. PLT are amazing, really good. And let's see whether our MU can just push it back a bit more. So let's see whether TQQQ can push back or Tesla trade. It's going to make it today, guys. 245 would be the next partial, or just let it run. And Baba is getting under the VWAP, which means that might we can short it soon. Meta is still holding, but I'm out. That was a very quick scalp on my side. And the overall market is just crazy at the moment. Or Tesla is doing great. I don't like the SPY. SPY is much weaker, my opinion, and I'm going to watch this TQQQ, whether it's going to get to this 59, 50, under 59.58. One thing is for sure, if Meta though, it is going to break the 590 for good, this can be a huge winner. But the market so far doesn't look promising for the longs, in my opinion. MU is the only one which I took because of the really good news. But MU stop loss is going to be under 94.80. SPY triple Q are waiting for something, no idea for what indeed. Scott likes PDD to the short. Actually, Meta looks a great short under 134.40 around. Not bad, but it can be tricky, so be careful. But under 134.40, I'm not going to take it because I have too many shorts here running. Traders, oh my goodness, I forgot Lennar Corporation. I have it in the short side. You see, this is over trading. So Lennar, it's in, and I'm just taking Lennar, the first partial here. I wanted to cancel it, I remember, and I forgot. So I took 75% out. Traders, the Tesla is pushing back. Put your stop loss on the entry, and MU is still not doing too much, unfortunately. Okay, guys. Meta looks very, very tempting. Lennar, Len, which I've called under 112.60, it has entered and it made $1 now. I took a partial. MU is still struggling, and Tesla is making the money. This is what I have now. I'm out on Meta. It was a quick in and out, and I'm waiting for this market to decide if it's going to fail. I'm going to get TQQQ under 59 and 58. Market is breaking higher. That means that looks like that might be still stretching a bit higher, but I still do not trust this market at all. In my opinion, it's just not trustable. Or MU is getting higher. Tesla is still okay. Lennar Corporation stop loss to 112 and 50. And look at Meta. I knew we should have taken it over this one or a 390 level. Or so again, not my ultimate favorite here. MU is still not doing too much. Let's see, market is topping maybe. Meta is nice, yes, but I do not trust the market. This is the problem, you see. MU not good. MU is not good. Come on, MU, don't give up. Under 94.80, it's my stop loss, 94.80, and overall market looks like it's just fighting hard but not going anywhere. Slowly higher, but this slowly higher is not enough. Yes, Leviathan, this is what I'm afraid of. That's why every stop it's on the entry traders. Tesla, MU, unfortunately, is going to be out soon. I can't believe this. Yeah, it's a hard time for the bulls. It's a really hard time for the bulls. 95 must hold on the MU. If it's not holding under 94.80, I'm out. And TQQQ going to be in soon. And VDA is rolling over too. Not good. Okay, traders, watch out on the Tesla. It's almost out. And unfortunately, MU is still fighting, but doesn't look good. And the market started to push down a little bit too. MU, now it's held by the 95. Baba under, yes, I've called it under 134.40. 134.40 or so. I'm just checking too many stocks at the same time, so I'm not going to take it, but looks nice as an intraday breakdown, in my opinion. And traders, don't forget the TQQQ. Because if we get a strong pullback under this 59.50 or now actually 59.70 can be an interesting short there. So Baba under this 40, if you took it, 134 is going to be the first partialing point, 134 on the Baba, and Tesla is out, traders. Tesla is out for me. I'm still holding this MU. I really hope it can make it. Overall market, though, it's pushing lower, so let's be careful. So I have Lennar last shares. I have MU and Baba. I did not take it. If you took it, good luck with that. And I'm out of Tesla. And the market is completely undecided. PDD is breaking down too, and I'm waiting for my TQQQ under this 59.68. Is the 5-6 on the SPY? That is resistance. Yes, Leo. PLT are still very strong. Meta trying to hold too, but I think Meta will hold only until the market is holding. And now the SPY is under the VWAP, which can be very, very stressful here for the market. So let's be careful. So the SPY, if it's going to break it down, this 559, I think everything is going to push down again. Traders, unfortunately, this MU is heading to my stop loss again. Again, under 94.80, I'm going to be out. Market is not doing too much. Roku is strong. Yes, we have some stocks which are quite strong indeed. Roku. I'm short again on NVIDIA. Nice. That was a nice reversal. Banzai, I don't know why I'm not putting enough. Yes, it's nice. Well done on Roku if you catched it. I don't know why I'm not putting enough attention to the NVIDIA today because it just made two beautiful reversals there. Okay, MU last chance. If you cannot make it, I'm going to be angry. Nice on the Baba. It's a bit slow if you took it on MU, but it's heading to this 134 hopefully. Market is still trying to hold traders, but again, if I feel like if it's going to fail, it's going to be a big fail. Okay, another green candle. Tesla is making a very interesting VWAP reversal. Ah, no, let's see. I think everyone knows if the market is going to give up today, guys, it's over. It's completely over for the bulls. Big GPM call position. So if the 5,000, 600 is not holding, that we are going there. Yes, Leo, thank you for the info. I completely agree. That's why everyone, you see, they just try to hold it. Nice VWAP reversal on the Tesla. Did not take it, but I really hope my MU is going to work. And what else on the horizon is SMCI, guys. And still Meta, but I'm afraid of Meta. Disney, I don't like it too much. SMCI looks good, but it needs to break 430.25. Yes, 425 on the SMCI if you like it. MU still doesn't look good. It really needs some buyers. Come on. Meta broke this 590 for the second time. Let's see. Market just rejected again. Doesn't look good. Watch out with the Lennart Corporation. I'm going to be out on 112 and 50. 112 and 50. SMCI still pushing a bit. MU not doing anything at all. And the market is on the edge. Breaking lower or pushing higher. This is the big question now for the overall market. Yeah, Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, they will see all a nice pullback if we see the market for a decision finally, especially now the SPY is the weakest link, in my opinion, because it doesn't look good. MU is just doesn't want to move. SMCI is slightly moving. Alamo, be careful with the NVIDIA. It's pulling back a bit too. Microsoft looks great as well, in my opinion, and is Spader over the high. But for all of that, we just need the market overall. Tesla made a rejection. That was just a very quick reversal. And SPY is breaking, guys. Be careful. SPY is breaking. If 558 is going to be like give up, it's over. Okay, here is the Lennar Corporation. I'm out of Lennar after first partial and the market does not look good. So watch out, traders. TQQQ is still on my call here. SMCI is still holding. MU still holding, but not too long as I see now. SMCI is still moving higher, doesn't mean too much, though. And the market is undecided. I have a very strong feeling, traders, that it's going to keep like that, unfortunately. So let's be very careful, please. Here comes even Microsoft to the highs. Yes, it's Friday, it's triple witching, option expiration. So not the best day, that's for sure. SPY, triple Q, it's trying hard again. And I am still ready to short that TQQQ under 59.70, traders. There is selling pressure. It's more like how long can, yes, I completely agree. And everything is just dropping like a stone. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And unfortunately, this MU is going to be a very ugly loser for me on 94.75 is my stop loss. SPY triple Q breaking to the lows, but the triple Q not really, it's just touched the Viva, but it's pulling back a little bit now. Interesting. The SPY seems like it's just giving up, and if the SPY is going to give up, the overall triple Q is going to give up too, in my opinion, but let's wait. Because the biggest, I mean, not NVDA, but so far everything held nicely. Okay, traders, under 59.65, I'm going to enter to this TQQQ. No entry yet. 64 exactly, it's my entry on the TQQQ, so let's see. MU hanging on a thread. Unbelievable, still hanging on a thread. Nice, Leo, well done. I'm still waiting for this market, but I have a strong feeling if the SPY is going to break down here, everything is over. NVIDIA looks down very much now. Meta pulled back fully, as I see. Tesla breaking. Now triple Q is breaking, traders. I'm in on the TQQQ. Let's go for a 30 cents on TQQQ, which means around 59.45. SPY broke the lows, but not the triple Q yet. Let's see. And MU is still holding. Yes, Leo, I agree. Not a nice market, traders. PDD looks like as a breakdown. PABA is not doing too much, and I'm going to be out over 60 on the TQQQ. I'm still holding MU, and if TQQQ is going to fail me, I'm just going to say goodbye to it for today. SMCI still looks strong. In my opinion, guys, if this market can just, oh no, oh no. Second loser on the TQQQ. D-King, what's happening here? What is happening here? Ah, come on, MU. Now you need to work. Nice anticipator. I hope you are in green. I'm still small green. I need MU to work out, but this market is extremely tricky now. So watch out. I'm going to forget to trade the market for today, traders, because it's obviously not working. It is. It is. That's just crazy. 60.05, my max pain. TQQQ. So please behave. I don't think so. It will. SPY, it's bouncing. Maybe this is just a short-lived bounce. I don't know. Let's see. SMCI breaking out. MU getting, it was getting back. Now it's still making a green candle. That's good. Come on. I'm afraid we are going to see these sideways moves all around, which is not good, but I really hope at the end, at least MU is going to get back. Nice VWAP reversal on the triple Q, ugly for me as I'm out of the TQQQ. So two losers on the TQQQ, rest of my trades winners, and this is a loser. Shame on you, TQQQ. I'm not used to that. Okay, guys, SMCI, it looks strong. PLTR is back to the 100 EMA, but I can repeat that we need the market. I have a strong feeling market is not going to show us too much. Watch out with the BABA, it just did not give us, it should have. And or MU is getting back again. Not too much though. And SPY triple Q stopped again. Not higher, not lower. Not good. I still like the MU though because it did not show any bigger volume in the red candles. But as the market is not helping, it's much harder. No, me neither, Alemu. Red day. Sorry for that. Sorry to hear that, actually. It's not an easy day at all. I feel like I'm a bit over trading. So I think after this MU is going to play out, I'm not going to touch this market anymore. And I'm going to be very much grateful for even my small green because TQQQ get me in the trouble today. Tesla made my day. That's funny. Leonard too. Meta was just a small one. Well, I was thinking on shorting it under 240 Leviathan. Great catch on the Tesla. Market as usual is just stumped again. Market starting to give up again. With the triple Q, we need to break 476 with the SPY, the 560, what we were looking at. But so far, there is no move at all. It's just choppy, going sideways, and that's it. Answer, yes, Tara, this is the one. Yeah, the king. I am disappointed in my favorite ETF. So yeah, this is the day when it's better to keep your hands off. Indeed, unfortunately, wish it could have been a better one, but option expiration uncertainty is causing that, seems like. NVDA is pulling back. Watch out for the ones who are still in short. Microsoft pulled back too, but to the downside. And now the SPY is trying to go towards to this 560 level, and or MU is getting back at least towards to the entry, which is good. Nice banzai, well done. Great trading. In my opinion, that was the best. Okay, traders, bulls are back again, but to see some great moves, we need to see a break over the high, which is still low in the chance, in my opinion. MU looks still good. I still like it. I am owning it. Have it, but it needs to break now higher. So come on, MU. And of course, market is just turning over and lower. Tesla still going. Nice catch under 240. Well done. Now let's see, MU, can you do anything here at all? DVG is watching NVIDIA, not NVIDIA, 492. Which one? It's 492. I don't know. Okay, guys. We are moving higher. Come on, MU. I need you now. I really need you to go. SPY triple Q though, it needs to produce big green candle here. SPY triple Q fighting to get a bit higher in this choppy, very choppy day. So far, not a big success to push higher the market. Still very undecided, unfortunately. No, I don't like this Baba anymore. Very low volume. It did not work out. No Raspi. I would leave it. Nice Leviathan, but I will wait till, yeah, completely agree with you. That's why I told you that I don't think so. I'm going to take any more trades waiting for this MU to play out, and that's it. Options are turning on Max 7. Be careful. Thank you, Leo, for the news. Question in which direction they are turning, right? Hi, Nitsan. Crazy day. Please be extra careful. I'm small green, but this is one of the craziest option expiration triple witching day which I have ever seen. So highly, highly, highly cautious here, please. Crazy market, crazy, crazy. And or MU is still not moving. Come on, MU. DVG watching Meta short under 590, by the way. Turning to the downside, okay. So let's be careful here. No, Meta, nice. Just making it, and come on, MU, we need you. Go, go, go. NVIDIA too, yeah. So traders, we have a temporarily decision on the market, I would say. I would not call it like a full decision, so be extremely careful here. I still do not believe to this market indeed, and now I really need this MU to move finally. So come on, MU. Okay, Nitsan, that's good. So you are up to date what is going on this crazy market. That's good. All right, traders. So MU, it's not doing it. So I'm going to give a last chance for it, but if it's not going to work out, I'm just going to close it and keep my small green for today. I feel Meta is trying to new highs. Yeah, I see. I see. Crazy. NVDA 2, TQQ. How about INTC and the rest? Just need the MU to fly. Sooner or later, we will get it, guys. Too many charts to look at. Yes, Leo, I know. Meta is also flying to new highs. Yes. All right, guys. So nice breakout on the triple Q, but I just warn you that the SPY could not make this nice breakout yet. So I'm still careful. INTC is flying today too. I'm going to watch for NVDA now, especially if it's making a nice consolidation here or the reversal to the VWAP. I don't know yet, but sorry, I overtraded, so no, I'm not watching anything. Yes, it can be easily a bull trap. Exactly. Anything can happen today, guys. As I've told you, it's just we need to be highly cautious on this ugly morning. PLTR too extended for me as oh no, it's sorry. I was watching in INTC. PLTR, yeah, but it, you know what? It concerns me that it did not go up with the market. So now let's wait until it's pulling back till the VWAP. Yes, the king is just dropped. Now, this is a typical option expiration move like PLTR did. It looks so nice to the long, nice setup. Let's just take it. Oops, big red candle. So this is such a typical option expiration. It's not, and as I've told you guys, it's not a simple option expiration because usually, yeah, it adds a little volatility on every third Friday of the month. But when it's triple witching and S&P 500 rebalancing, now that's a hard one, especially in a very uncertain environment. So that's like, wow. NVIDIA caught by DVG over 117, by the way. Lee, your AVGO is just playing out, does not care about the market. I like it today, but I'm not going to take it. Glad in that take FedEx under 218. Yeah, it was a bit extended. Just seen that. Let's see the CVNA also. It's highly volatile most of the times. Okay, guys, there is a bull flag on the market, I must tell you, but we had to wait for that move a half an hour. So I do not have too much hope for this market still. And as you told, Leo, you wrote that everything just can drop in a second. I completely agree. So far traders, Tesla, Meta, Netflix, Amazon are into the green side. And Miami is just not doing anything at all. I really hope it's going to wake up a bit. Yes, we're still stuck. Yes. Yeah, it needs to be broken. So the SPY, it doesn't matter that the triple K is stronger, okay, but the SPY needs to join to this party. And so far it's just not really joining as I see. Amazon was nice, what you called, but I've told you that all of them look great indeed. Guys, this MU is just starting to be fed up with this MU. We need another breakout on the market to see this move at all. MUFG. Checking. Okay, market stopped a bit here again. Yeah, that looks weird. This MUFG volume though, it's very high. What's that stock? Let me just check it. Mitsubishi. Okay. I did not know that. Sorry guys, in the meantime I'm just checking the stocks here. MU, I like this rejection on the VWAP. I still have hope in that setup, but not my favorite anymore because it should have moved already. Market is pulling back a little bit as usual. This market completely stuck, unfortunately. DocuSign, LMT, still strong as I see. LMT looks, no volume on LMT, let's just leave it. Roblox, I completely forgot Roblox traders. And it made a nice move, can't believe it. MU time, come on MU. Roku was really nice when you called it, but it was already too much to the upside. SIG is up too. SIG, no more move in that one. Reddit, CCL, what CCL did today? It got earnings as far as I remember. Guys, Reddit is strong. Might we should watch Reddit too. Market in the meantime is still making this consolidation on the highs. As I mentioned you, in this environment, I'm not expecting from the market to decide quickly. DocuSign BA can watch. Doku no volume, fortunately, so let's just leave it. MNDY. Doku Daily is not that good either. Low volume. PITR touched the VWAP now. Now maybe it's going to be interesting on the PITR. Oh, Lee, I have not read this yet. That AVGO tricked you. Shame on you, AVGO. See, it's your TQQQ, right? Okay, guys. Netflix looks strong too. Let's see whether the market can make another breakout. And finally, MU, it's alive. Come on, MU, break the 96, 25, 30 area. That would be great to see. SPY, triple Q going back to the highs. MU is back finally. But this is not enough yet. I want to see MU as my stop loss nights under 95. On 97, around just before 97, to see that. That would be amazing if it can make a breakout at all. But the market again, it just made a force pullback as I see. Google about 165 checking. Listen, if the market is breaking out, all of them are going to go Leviathan, but everything is just for a small scalp. Even Meta, I can imagine, is stretching higher. SMCI is stretching higher. Here is the NVDA VWAP reversal over 116.60. Everything looks great. Good setups on most of the times. I just do not trust it because of this ugly market, unfortunately. So I really think so. I'm not going to take any more trade here. I just play out this MU, hopefully at least with a small 60, 70 cents first partial here. And I just forgot this day. This was ugly. Guys, let's just remind ourselves next triple witching. It's not cautious, it's extra super duper cautious, especially with S&P 500 rebalancing. Okay, here comes MU to the green side finally. MU go, 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 97. Just before 97, I'm going to take a partial here. Oh, I think Scott called it as well. Yeah. Or maybe still is he still holding it from 95? I don't know. SPY triple Q still suffering here. Of course, MU is pulling back. MU, just give me a 60 cents and let's forget each other. FSLR is strong too, not too strong, but strong. I'm just checking the strong stocks here in the meantime. No volume. Volume is missing. I think lots of traders are not trading today because of the triple witching, guys, by the way. I do not want to see MU under 95.40. SPY triple Q not looking good, like helping to the MU, but hopefully it's going to be okay. Even Meta, it's making a consolidation here, SMCI on the top. How about Tesla? Come on, MU, I need you. Mm, 96.15 was my entry, and I want to see this stock on 96.80, 85 for the first partial. Tesla is moving higher too, FedEx as well, but this is not enough yet. Ooh, Microsoft big, ouch, ouch, watch out traders, something is, some options just expired as I see from this ugly candle. Going to keep my hands off for the rest of the day. Nice discipline, Banzai. Just following the other trades here. Great. Thank you. Beautiful trading on your side. NVDA was the best choice for today. Well done. Tesla above VWAP. Yeah, I've seen that. But Amazon is dropping. Unfortunately, triple Q looks like as a inverted cup and handle now, together with the SPY, which does not mean we are going to break down, but if we do, then be careful if you have any longs, as for me, the triple Q, MU. MU is still fighting, also I don't like the fact it just broke the 96. Not good. PLTR though holding nicely around this 87.20. But the SPY triple Q starting to give up again. MU, come on. Last chance for the MU. And seems like it just cannot do it, unfortunately. Oof, MU. That's not good. Guys, I'm going to buy out under 95. And the SPY is giving up again. Amazon pulling back, Microsoft pulling back to the lows. NVIDIA made a break again. Yeah, Netflix is very choppy and market it's just crazy. Guys, I think I'm going to be out soon really from this MU. Just I was very patient with that trade, but if it's breaking 95, I just cannot do anything else but get out from this one. And the market as well, I've just seen a very ugly rejection, which, as we could see, does not mean too much. Reddit still looks strong. FedEx is pulling back nicely, but the bigger names just pulled back again, like Meta it's done, Nvidia, Microsoft back to the completely to the lows. Here comes another big green candle on the market. Market is starting to be really, really boring now, so we need a decision, please. Maybe it's just going to give up now. Doesn't look good. I mean, the overall market now. Traders, this is it. MU just doesn't want to work. Very ugly. I gave the chance for this stock, but it's just not able to make a nice push here. So, not good. Should not give any more patience because the market is completely back to the lows. MU. I would say last chance, but I gave a lot of chance for this stock already. No, the king. I'm not going to touch this ETF today anymore. I feel like. But yes, you are right. Actually, if the triple Q is going to break again, this VWAP, that can be a sign again to go lower. Tesla is still holding, Reddit is holding, PRTR, it's making a very nice comeback. Unfortunately, my MU completely not. SMCI on the top two, Meta maybe can be interesting for a reversal if the things are reversing at all here. 59, yeah, 59.86 it can be on the TQQQ, but as I've told you, I have no more faith in that stock, unfortunately. Yes, it's just completely choppiness. The SPY actually, if you try to look for higher highs, higher lows, you cannot find it because there is not. No, SPY is not doing anything. Triple Q, we have these higher highs, higher lows, but even the triple Q cannot do anything without the SPY. SMCI still breaking out. PRTR nice reversal from the VWAP. Surprisingly good. This MU, I think, guys, is just not going to do anything for today. So I'm going to be happy if it goes back to 96 and I can close it. I'm not going to suffer with this anymore. Amazon is moving back a bit lower too, as I see. MU over 96 and 15, Leo. Long time ago. And it's just not doing anything at all. And VD8 stuck to the VWAP completely. Triple Q trying to pull back a bit. Let me just check this Tesla here in the meantime. Tesla, again over 240. You were right with Disney. I could not see anything in that, but after that it just broke this 94.8 or 40, 98.40, sorry. That was a good one. I don't remember who called it, but this was a good one. All right, traders, seems like my MU is just coming to the end decision here. SPY triple Q not doing anything at all. Amazing. PayPal, nice comeback today. And here we are, MU. I really hope institutionals are buying here. No, they don't. I leave my original stop loss on 75, but it does not look good. Okay, guys. Nike is still quite weak, 6.84% to the downside as I see. They try to pull back just like the FedEx. Oh, PRTR. I missed PRTR 2 times today. Nice, Raspi. Well done. PLTR was a perfect break, intraday breakout at 86 in the beginning and now the VWAP reversal. You see, this market just tricked me. Yeah, because the worst thing when you do not have a direction on the market, you don't know in which stock you can trust, which setup you can trust. Tricky. Oh, am you alive again? Maybe that time, but I think I just going to give up around the entry. First, let's break the VWAP over 90, 95.70. I would be surprised if it can do that. SPY is very slowly back to the highs. However, this 560 it needs to be broken for good. to see another jump on this market, but there is, on the other hand, there is no reason for the market to jump. I mean, pathetic. It cannot break the 20 EME either. Oh my goodness. Baba is not doing too much. I was just checking it again. Yeah, I know, Raspi. I have my stop loss there. That's it. I just put my hard stop loss in and goodbye, because the market is rolling over again. SPY triple Q dropping again. Not good. NVDA is just joined the party now, traders. And I'm just going to be out from my MU. Almost out. And MU, goodbye. So traders, I'm just going to end this Friday in a micro green because of the MU. However, the overall week was great and green, and that was a great decision again for that Friday to lower my share size. It just paid off again as usual. So that's why I'm telling you, when we have such an ugly days like that, I mean risky days with risky happenings like option expiration, it's much better, much better to lower your share size. Okay, it's completely okay in my opinion. So traders, that's it for me today. I feel like I'm just going to call it as a day. Market is completely untradeable today. We had some great stocks. Tesla especially made my day, but if you were not, let's call it like checking or choosing the right stock, and it could have been a red day. Hopefully you will have a nice green at the end, but do not force trading too much. If you don't feel comfortable in this environment, which I'm not surprised, then please just leave it. Leave it. Just start your weekend a bit earlier and enjoy. So I wish you a beautiful weekend, traders. And don't forget, next Monday there is no stream because I'm traveling, but Tuesday I will be back to you. So I wish you a beautiful, nice green day, a great weekend with your loved ones, with the family, and the green day for Monday. And be cautious because no one knows what's coming next on this crazy market. Thank you, guys. Yes, Banzai, it was a very difficult day for me too, as you could see. It can happen, especially with option expiration and uncertainty. But what can we do? We survived. This is the most important thing. Even if you had a not that good day, small red only, okay? And do not get to the over trading side. Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful weekend again. Stay safe and see you on next Tuesday. Bye. Thank you, Leviathan. Bye, everyone.